I think your dragon likes me.
No one messes with me and my friends.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
You have got to be kidding.
Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green.
I just don't trust her. You shouldn't either.
Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you,
He
Jolene.
thinks I'm jealous, which is completely ridiculous.
He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he
This is really
calls your name, Jolene.
Siege is your friend. You're not thinking.
And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene.
Trust me, the last thing I am is jealous.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please
Okay, Ash,
don't take
that's
him
enough.
just
You're right.
because you
It is.
can. You could have your choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide to do, Jolene.